two blocks, one more, and now we will place it. So now we will take two green small blocks like this, and four pink small blocks like this. Now you can see there are 6 circles. We will place the blocks in this. You can see if we will place the blocks like here, so 2 circles will be the gap. So let's make. We want to make its leg like this. Now I will make its second leg. I have made both legs. Now we will take two big blue blocks. It can be any color. See, it's like this. Now we want 3 medium-sized blocks, 2 orange and 1 yellow. We place. You can see here are 6 like this, 6 circles. But here we will do it. You can see 2 circles gap is here. I have to take it. Now I have 1 circle and 1. We will place it like this. Now we will make its head, its shoulder. That's why we want 2 big pink dots. Any color, not necessarily pink. See, it looks like this. It looks like this now from both sides. With the both sides. Now we will make its head. You can see I have marked its eyes on this. And now the head is completed. Now we will make its hair. To make its hair, we will take 3 small green blocks and 3 small pink blocks. And 3 orange blocks. And now we will make it like this till the blocks are not empty. I think if we will do like this, it will be so big. So I had stopped it. That it goes, but I will make it. Now we will make its arm. So let's make. We want 4 pink blocks and 2 small pink blocks. You can see we want to place it like this. We will make second arm like this also. See. Now we want to make its hand. To make its hand, we will take this. You can see the block. And now we will. To make its hand big, I will take this. And now it's made. And we will make second arm also like this. Take this, take this, take this.